Hi, it's Michael Hankerson with AZ Outdoor Adventures and the Hankerson Team. The folks over at Star Night Motors sent me over some window nets for my Can-Am X3 Max. Let's go ahead and get them installed. Window nets are primarily installed for safety purposes. They keep the driver and passenger limbs inside the vehicle in case of a rollover or crash. Window nets can help block debris from entering the vehicle. In many organized off-road racing events, window nets are mandatory safety requirements. From inside the Can-Am, it's pretty simple. Unfasten the two buckles and open the door. From the outside, it's the same. Unfasten the two buckles and open the door. The only thing I'm confused about is why they don't have two buckles on the back. So what I did is I put a small piece of Velcro on the roll bar so you can still get in and out of the car easily from the inside. If you'd like to get some Star Night window nets for your Can-Am X3 Max, I've included the link below.